How to apply for a grant you found on GrantWatch. In this video, we will be explaining how to apply for a grant you found on GrantWatch.com. First, you need to be an active Member Plus subscriber. If you are, it should display your Member Plus status in the top right-hand corner next to your name. Additionally, ensure your subscription has not expired. Click on the grant of interest. When you view the full grant details, scroll down the page until you see URL for full text RFP. See the full text of this grant. You want to click this link. It will take you to the funder's website to apply for the grant. If you have any additional questions about this grant, do not hesitate to contact the grant funder directly. Their contact information will be displayed above the RFP link. GrantWatch is a grant listing directory, so we are unable to give counsel or legal advice when it comes to applying for grants. Watch more videos in our series to learn other useful tips for GrantWatch.com.